is a demand now for the Central Bureau of Investigation to come in this stampede incident. That whether it was just whether it was an accident or it was a carelessness that was shown on part of the administration as well. Letter has been sent to Chief Justice of Allahabad High Court regarding the Hathras incident. The letter petition has been sent for CBI probe. Advocate Gaurav Dwivedi, we are told, has written this letter. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, meanwhile, is also landing at the Agra airport at 10:40, and he'll be heading to Hathras to meet the injured and take stock of the situation. 120 people at least have died. We are told the numbers are increasing. Many of them are women and children. Who is this Godman? Why was this event organized of his without proper arrangements? Let's go across now immediately to Hathras. Shreya, what is the latest that you are bringing in from the ground with regard to investigation? Because, you know, the number of people who congregated requires massive safety norms, and to take it lightly over which was not even an official event, some devotional congregation by a godman like him.
Well, you know, and one more thing, Pooja, usually in such incidents, how is the permission given? First and foremost, when the permission is applied, the police is usually, responsible to do a check that whether such permissions could be given, and then subsequently it's the local authorities, mostly the SDM, which is responsible to give the letter. So it's one thing in the FIR to say that the entire responsibility lies with the organizers, but it is also a fact that it was the responsibility of the local administration to ensure that if such a huge number of people was gathering in this particular congregation, then similar arrangements should have been put in place. Exit and entry plans, what are the emergency vehicles that should have been stationed. So these are major lapses that have been reported already. The FIR clearly highlights that the organizers did not place proper arrangements in this particular regard, and that's exactly why this has costed at least 121 lives that has already been confirmed right now. The FIR is mainly registered against the organizers of the event. The godman, Pooja, has not been mentioned in this FIR as of now, but we are being told this police is trying to locate all these people involved, and there's also an investigation that is simultaneously under its way.
And how will precisely, at this point, the UP police, the administration will take it ahead? What questions will be asked on this? How can such a massive gathering of this nature be organized without ensuring proper arrangements? Shreya is on the ground, and she's constantly going to different locations and getting us the latest on that.